Welcome to this tutorial video for Microsoft PowerPoint 2019, Working with Slides. PowerPoint is an excellent tool to present information to an audience. This video is designed to provide you with the skills you'll need to create basic presentations. After watching this video, you'll be able to add slides to your slideshow, choose slide layouts, and add content to your slides. Let's begin with adding slides to your slideshows. When you start a new slideshow from scratch, Microsoft PowerPoint only gives you one slide. Chances are you're going to need to add a few more. In order to add slides to your slideshow, you'll begin by clicking in the blank space of the slide sorter, which is located on the left-hand side. Click in the blank space where you would like to add your slide. You can click at the end of your presentation, or if you need to click in between slides, you can do that as well if you need to insert a blank slide between two existing ones. Once you have your cursor in place, you'll need to make sure that you're on the Home tab of the ribbon, and then click on the top of the New Slide button. And Microsoft PowerPoint will insert a blank slide for you. Note that if you click the bottom of the New Slide button, a drop-down menu will appear, and you can click on a specific slide layout to insert into your slideshow. We'll cover slide layouts in just a minute. Just for now, know that you can click on one of these options, and Microsoft PowerPoint will insert a slide with that layout. So let's talk about layouts in a little more detail. When creating a slideshow, you'll need to choose slide layouts that work for your purposes. Slide layouts help you to arrange the content of your slides in an effective way. The layouts basically serve as templates for your slides. Slide layouts contain different types of placeholders and icons that allow you to easily add different types of content to your slides. Some of the most common placeholders and icons are pictured here. There are text placeholders, and then additional icons that allow you to add other types of content, such as inserting a table, or a chart, or a smart art graphic, pictures, online pictures, and videos. When you're choosing a slide layout, you'll need to think about what placeholders you're going to need to convey the information in your presentation. Will you need text? Will you need pictures? Then choose your layout accordingly. But note that slide layouts are not set in stone. They can be edited later. So don't worry if a layout isn't exactly what you need, because you can always edit, delete, or even add placeholders to your slides. To begin choosing a layout for a slide, you'll select the slide in the slide sorter by clicking on it. Then ensure that you're on your Home tab in the ribbon. Click on the Layout button, and you can choose from the drop-down menu of the layout you want to use. Now, let's move on to adding content to your slides. Adding content to your slides is relatively simple because you're essentially filling the placeholders in the layout that you have designated for that slide. I'm going to review each placeholder and provide a brief overview on how it works. I'll start with the text placeholders. When you click on a text placeholder, PowerPoint will give you a blinking cursor so that you can begin typing. Let me demonstrate this for you. So this text placeholder here is for adding a title to your slide. I simply need to click in that box, and Microsoft PowerPoint gives me a blinking cursor, and I can begin typing. When I'm finished, I can click on the outside of the slide, the outline box goes away, and my text is left. The next placeholder is the Add Table or Insert Table icon. When you click on the Insert Table icon, a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose the number of columns and rows you want in your table. After entering that information, you click OK, and the table will appear on your slide. So let me demonstrate this for you. By clicking on Insert Table, a pop-up window comes up asking me how many columns and rows I want in my table. Let's say I want 3 columns and 5 rows, so I enter that information and then click OK. And then PowerPoint inserts that table onto my slide. To add content to the table, I simply need to click in any of these boxes and start typing. The next placeholder is the Insert Chart placeholder. When you click on Insert Chart, a window will appear allowing you to choose what kind of chart that you want on your slide. Once you select one and click OK, the chart will appear on the slide and a small Excel window will open so that you can enter the data for your chart. So I know that was a lot of information, so let me demonstrate this for you as well. By clicking on Insert Chart, a window appears. On the left-hand side, these are all of the different kinds of charts that I can add into my presentation. So let's say I want to insert a pie chart. So I click on Pie, and the types of pie charts appear at the top. So I simply need to click on one of those that I'd like to use, and click on OK. The pie chart appears in my slide, and then an Excel window opens so I can enter various information for my pie chart. All I have to do is click on one of the boxes and enter the information for that chart. And notice in the bottom, the slide adjusts based on the numbers that I'm typing into my chart. The next icon is the Insert Smart Art icon. When you click on the Smart Art icon, a window will appear allowing you to choose what kind of smart art you want on your slide. Once you select one and click OK, the chart will appear on the slide with a window for adding the text to that smart art. Allow me to demonstrate this for you. By clicking on the Insert Smart Art icon, a pop-up window appears. The categories of the different smart art graphics are located on the left. You can click on any of these and those options will appear in the middle. So let's assume I would like to add a process smart art graphic. These are the options for the process smart art graphic. So I choose one that I want and then click OK. The graphic appears on my slide with a pop-up window for adding the text that will be put into the graphic. Once I have all my text entered, I can click in the X, and then the smart art graphic is completed on my slide. So I'm going to undo this so I can show you the next placeholder, which is the Insert Pictures icon. When you click on the Insert Picture icon, a window will appear allowing you to browse your computer to find a picture to insert into your slide. Then once you select one and click Insert, the picture will appear on your slide. Allow me to demonstrate. I can click on the Add Picture icon, and a window pops up allowing me to search my computer for the pictures that I have saved on my computer. I simply click on the one I want to use and click Insert, and it inserts that picture into my slide. The next icon is the Online Pictures icon. When you click on the Online Picture icon, a window will appear allowing you to browse categories or search for a specific image. Once you find one and click Insert, the image will appear on your slide. So to demonstrate, I can click on Online Pictures, and then a list of categories will appear, and I can choose from any of those categories should I wish to. Or I can go up in the search bar and type in whatever it is I'm looking for. Hit my Enter key on my keyboard, and then the available pictures show. I simply click on the one I want to use and click Insert. And PowerPoint will insert that into my slide. The final icon is the Insert Video icon. When you click on the Insert Video icon, a window will appear allowing you to choose the location from which to get a video. The option From a File allows you to browse your computer to find videos to put on your slide. You can also look on the internet as well. Once you find a video, you simply click on it and then click on Insert, and the video will appear on your slide. When you're presenting your slideshow, when you get to that slide, you can simply click your mouse and your video will start playing during your presentation. If I click on Browse, it opens up my computer so that I can search my computer for various videos. Since I don't have any videos on this particular computer, it's not going to find any here. If that's the case, you can always try and search YouTube for a video. Creating original slideshows can be a very effective way to present information to an audience. Working with slides in your presentations may take a little practice and some patience, but the final result is typically worth the effort. Keep practicing, and you'll be able to create slideshows that will wow your audience in no time. Thanks for watching.